Welcome to our tutorial on creating a solar design using a 3D model generated by drone mapping software. Use your preferred software, such as OpenDrone or Pix4D, to export the textured mesh. Let's begin. By default, WebSolar displays a 2D map. To load the textured mesh, click the map icon and select Textured Mesh. Upload the zip file containing your textured mesh. Please wait a few moments for the map to load. Use the right mouse button to rotate the scene and explore the 3D map. Now, click New Segment and draw a new segment. Repeat this step to create additional segments. After creating your roof segments, use the right mouse button to adjust your viewing angle. Click on the roof's edge to modify the height for both the first and second segments. Finally, select 3D Map to hide the textured mesh from your design. Congratulations! You have successfully imported your textured mesh from the drone survey.